Bait ito sa totoo lang. O hindi ko pa ito narinig magmura. Baski isang putang ina. Wala. O totoo, kayo mga taga Cavite, narinig ninyo si Tolentino magletse-letse? Si Francis Tolentino. I have mentioned, Roy, mag-uwi ka na. Baka mag-standby ka na naman dito, ha? Walang nakabikino dito, malamig. So I'd like to thank the Korean government, South Korea, for hosting so many Filipinos here. Keeping them safe. And meron pa pala dito. Tatakbo rin ito ng senador. Congressman Carlo Alexis Nograles. Pamangkin ko to. Nandito rin si hindi ko pa ba natawag siya? Baulinte. Huwag po katawag sa si Secretary Piñol. You know, I chose him because he is really a farm boy. Davao straddles between so many provinces, but one of the boundaries there is really North Cotabato. Alam mo, sino bang taga-land reform dito? But I did not like that statement na kukunti lang ang beneficiaries. If you open it, many Filipinos will go there. Sabihin nila, it's mountainous. Kasi walang flatlands. You know, if I were you, and may capital ka, you go to Manny's place. He was governor of North Cotabato. Minsan nawala ako sa chopper, napasok ako ng weather, tawag nila. We call it the weather. Hindi kami makalabas. So we never know na bundok na yung banggaan mo. So we just keep on going up, up, up. Yun ang style dyan. So when able na land, may nakita kami na butas sa clouds, sinabol namin. We landed there. Kaya I do not buy that kind of shit. Na yung mountain. Pag landing ko, hindi ko alam kung saan. So, but yung mga bahay doon sa bukid, may mga swimming pool. Saan to? Tapos may nakita akong mga bata na patakbo sa chopper. Tapos nagsisigaw, chopper, chopper! Kung North Cotabato tayo. Mga Wrangler, chopper. Alam mo, I'm not... Alam mo, yung kabinete ko, puro Ilocano yan. Secretary Esperon, Secretary si Mato, si Bebot sa Isabela, Art, puro Ilocano. Halos dalawa na lang kaming Bisaya dyan sa... Wala talaga totoo. It's very representative. At saka ang military natin, ang pinakamarami is Ilocano, pati Ilonggo. Yan man ang warlike. Part nga to. May biro ako dyan, magpayag ka ba na ikunto ko? Alam mo na mga Ilonggo, damo sa tikal. Nakita kami sa airport, Mane. Sabi ko, Governor, are you leaving? Sa pre-departure. No? Diyan sa pre-departure area sa Davao, makikita mo yung mga masahista. Yung bulag, bulag yan sila, pero while waiting, if you want to get a massage, the maso is, nandyan lang. But they can distinguish the voice because they have acquired that acute. Sabi niya, si Mayor. Tapos, si Mama Nico, sabi ko, late daw kanyang flight. Sabi ko, pamasahe ka na lang. Tulog ka. So, pag masahe, nawakan siya ng masista. Sabi niya, Sir, lunggo ka? Sabi niya, oo Sir, boses mo si Manny Pinyol ka? Oo Sir, lunggo ka no? Oo. Nakita mo na kaya pala sir. Bakit? Medyo puno yung ulo mo ng hangin. Pero totoo yan, ha? One of the hardest workers, totoo lang, si Manny. Tiyaga. So, I've mentioned si Congressman Crisologo. He's there. I think tatakbo ka ng mayor there. Maraming patay dyan. Alam ko ano ka rin Congressman Anisito Bertiz III. Ito yung tao who opened the Pandora's box sa mga workers natin. Naglabasan yung horror, agony, suffering. Siya yung sige siya Tapos lumabas yung ayaw ko na kasi tapos na yan. And I'd like to even to thank the government of Kuwait. And for the first time, I would say that I was harsh in my language, maybe because that was a result of an emotional outburst. But I'd like to apologize now. I'm sorry for the language that I was using, but I'm very satisfied by the way how you responded to the problems of my country. Special Envoy Fernando Borja. Usually, ang errand nila sa akin is, I cannot run my own errands. Hindi nang lakad ko ako pa. Wala akong panahon. I cannot run my own errands. That's why I have to ask other people to do it for me. Of course, hindi mo talaga kalimutan to si former Senate President Manuel Villar Jr. Love ko yan si Speaker because he was my speaker when I was a congressman. Way back in 1998 to year 2000. Pakabait ni Senator. Pagka tumakbo ka, sir, sabihin mo, I might decide to sell everything and support you financially. Pero marami ka mang pera. Alam mo, si Senator Villar, ganito. Pag birthday ko, sabihin niya kay Bong, ano mang ibigay kay Mayor sa akin? So, hirap man sila. Hirap sabi niya, magbigay na ako house and lot para ibigay niya kung sino kanino gusto. So, there was this, I think it was the anniversary of the Army or change of command o graduation. So, yung valedictorian ng graduating class, binigay ko sa kanya. Ang problema, the following the graduation ng police. Di nalaman man nila doon. Sabi ko,